Hello everyone, how are you doing? What's up? Thank you for logging in, thank you for clicking in. Right, so many requests about how to clean this H300. In my opinion, the H300 cleans quite quickly, but I thought I'll do a video with a timer on and let you guys see how long it takes. So we've just finished juicing some purple cabbage, and purple cabbage is like the good stuff. So let us start the timer and I'll dismantle this thing, okay? Right, it's so easy, you just take it off. Obviously, this is a video, so it might just take a little longer than if you were doing it without talking. Now, these are the compartments, okay? You're taking this off. And we just have that to rinse. I actually like using some dish soap when I finish, so I'm just gonna rinse it with a dish soap afterwards. This was some purple cabbage and beet juice. Okay, initial rinse is done here. And now I will use some soap. This is me because I don't want to leave the stains of the vegetable. I'm just going to use a little soft, nothing abrasive, okay? A soft cloth to just give the whole juicer a good scrub, just to prevent the fruits stains, the pectin and stuff from remaining in the juicer, okay? So just do that. This is an additional thing. Basically, the initial rinse with the brush took less than 2 minutes. That's what my timer is saying. I don't know if it's showing. And this is just the second round. Now, you see the reason I'm just making sure, because if you have these juices, you find out they get stained and they retain stains in there. So this is the only reason I'm doing this. Just rinse the whole lot out. And it's squeaky clean now because the little soap, has gone in there. Alright. So that's it, guys. How many minutes is that? 2 minutes and 47 seconds. To be fair, if I wasn't recording, it would be sooner. Oh, I have to rinse the jugs. I have to wash the jugs. So probably just 3 minutes and 30 seconds. That's what it will take. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. If you're finding any value in these videos, the juicing videos, or any of my videos at all, click the subscribe button, please, and like and share. And thank you so much for watching. So all in all, I would say you can clean this juicer in under 4 minutes. Really, realistically. This is actually because I'm talking. I had to move my camera. That probably took maybe 5-7 seconds, but it didn't take long at all. It's a very easy juicer to clean and look after. And there you go, exactly. Let's show you our timer. Exactly 4 minutes and 7 seconds. All cleaned, all cleaned, all cleaned.